Welcome to our ultimate guide on skid steer attachments. Today we'll explore the most useful and versatile attachments that can help you tackle a wide variety of tasks. Skid steers are among the most versatile machines on the job site. With the right attachments, these powerful machines can handle a wide range of tasks, from construction to landscaping and everything in between. Attachments can transform your skid steer into a do-it-all tool. They help you complete jobs faster and more efficiently, ultimately saving both time and money. Let's take a quick look at some of the most popular attachments and how they perform in real-world applications. First up is the bucket attachment, the workhorse of the skid steer family. It's essential for material handling, digging, and carrying heavy loads. Buckets come in various types, including general purpose, heavy duty, and light materials. Each is designed to handle specific tasks, so it's crucial to choose the right one for your project. Next, we have the grapple attachment. This one's perfect for demolition, sorting, and moving large materials like logs, debris, and rocks with ease. The grapple allows for precision control when picking up and moving bulky or irregularly shaped materials, making it a must-have for demolition and construction projects. If you need to dig trenches for utilities or landscaping, the trencher attachment is the way to go. It allows you to dig with precision and efficiency, saving time compared to manual labor. From laying down pipes to installing irrigation systems, the trencher attachment excels in creating consistent, clean trenches quickly and with minimal disruption. Now that we've covered some must-have attachments, let's talk about how to choose the right one for your specific project. The first step is understanding the job requirements. Consider the task you need to accomplish and match it with an attachment designed for that purpose. Next, make sure the attachment is the right size and weight for your skid steer. Using an attachment that's too heavy or too large can cause strain on your machine and lead to performance issues. Always prioritize safety when using attachments. Ensure your machine is properly maintained, follow safety guidelines, and be mindful of your surroundings on the job site. Let's dive into some tips and tricks to ensure you're getting the most out of your attachments. Maintaining your attachments is key to extending their lifespan and ensuring peak performance. Regularly check for wear and tear, clean after use, and lubricate moving parts as needed. Mastering the operation of your attachments is just as important as maintenance. Always operate at the appropriate speed and pressure to prevent unnecessary damage. If you experience issues while using an attachment, stop and troubleshoot. Adjust the attachment settings on your skid steer to ensure it's working at optimal capacity. Let's take a look at a few real-world examples where skid steer attachments solve problems and improve efficiency. In this example, the bucket attachment is being used to move construction materials quickly, reducing labor costs and speeding up the workflow. The grapple is handling demolition debris, showing how it provides precision and control when picking up and moving large objects. Here, the trencher is digging a neat trench for an irrigation system, demonstrating how easy and efficient it can be compared to traditional digging methods. So whether you're moving materials, digging trenches, or clearing debris, the right attachments can unlock your skid steer's full potential. If you're looking for more detailed information on specific attachments and their applications, check out the links in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more skid steer and construction equipment content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and guides on skid steers and construction equipment.